In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an editor to your Google form. Collaborating on a Google form with others can significantly streamline the process, whether you're crafting a survey, a registration form, or a quiz. Let's dive right into how you can share the reins of your Google form with others effortlessly. First, we're going to start off by signing into Google Forms. Head over to the Google Forms website. Here, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in, click Next, then type in your password and sign in. This step is pretty straightforward and ensures you have access to all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. Once logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific form you wish to share with another editor. If you've recently worked on it, it should be visible right on your main dashboard. Otherwise, you might need to look through your saved forms list. Now, for the meat of the operation, adding a collaborator. Locate the form you wish to share and open it. On the top right of your screen, you're going to notice 3 dots forming a vertical line. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll find various options, but the one we're interested in is Add Collaborators. Clicking on this option will lead you directly to the settings where you can share your form with others. Within the Collaborators settings, you'll see an option that says Add People. Click on this to start adding editors. A side panel will appear with a search bar allowing you to type in the name or email of the person you wish to add as an editor. If the person is in your contacts, their profile should appear as you begin typing. Once you see the profile of the person you want to add, click on it. After selecting the person or people you want to add as editors, it's time to finalize the process. Look for the Send button in the top right corner of this side panel. Clicking on it will send an invitation to those individuals to become collaborators on your Google form. They'll receive an email notification with a link to edit the form alongside you. A few tips to ensure a smooth collaboration: make sure to discuss any changes or edits with your collaborators before making them. This will ensure everyone is on the same page and prevent any accidental overwrites. Google Forms auto-saves changes, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. However, it's always good practice to communicate with your team. And there you have it. That's how you add an editor to your Google form. This feature is particularly useful for teamwork, shared projects, or events planning where multiple inputs are crucial. Remember, collaboration is key to making sure your form is as effective and thorough as possible. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your digital tools.